is Ogechi Madukoma. I'm the lead trainer at Glomajos Skills Aqisition Center and Glomajos Business School. I'm also the NDCU at Glomajos Enterprises, where we produce NAFDAC approved cleaning and hygiene products with the brand name LORYMA. Over the past 10 years, I've trained several hundreds of persons on how to produce these cleaning and hygiene products. I've also mentored them and guided them to start their small businesses. Some of them have gone ahead to have their products approved by NAFDAC. You're welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make practical video trainings on how to produce cleaning and hygiene products like bar soap, like air freshener, like liquid detergent, and the likes. Expect videos on how to produce various cleaning and hygiene products, information about brand openings and how to apply to them, information about how to get your product registered with NAFDAC, how to get your business registered with CAC by yourself, general tips on how to start and grow your small business, and so on. I upload my videos once a week, every Wednesday at noon. Ensure you hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload my videos. Feel free to call me, to send me an SMS or a WhatsApp message on 08029046605. I'll take that again. 08029046605. I am here to teach you, to mentor you, to guide you until you start and grow that small business.